Drinks. Are you constantly drinking sodas? Do you always choose soda or a sugar drink over water? Is your refrigerator full of sugary and bad drinks? Drinking healthy can be quite difficult, especially if you do not know what to buy. Number 1. Milk. Milk contains the essential vitamin D, which helps to strengthen bones and build bone density. It also helps to absorb calcium in the bone so that if the bone breaks, it heals much quicker. It also helps to lower your blood pressure as well as regulate blood circulation throughout the body. It also helps to prevent several diseases including diabetes, prostate cancer and heart disease. It also helps to regulate blood sugar in the body. Number 2. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help to fight off inflammation and bacteria. It also helps to prevent and eliminate urinary tract infection by fighting the infection head on so to that urinary infection becomes easier and consistent. It also helps to stop bacteria from forming and inhabiting the mouth. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants including flavonoids which help to fight and destroy toxins in the body. It also helps to relieve illness and ailments that hinder the body such as indigestion, where it provides a smooth passage for food to travel through the intestine. It also helps to prevent heart disease and clogging of arteries around the heart. It also helps to provide normal blood flow through the arteries. Number 4. Fruit smoothie. A fruit smoothie when made right can be low in calories and give you a high amount of protein. Protein gives you energy as well as helps to build lean muscle on the body. Now, gives you your 25% recommended daily food intake. There are a variety of fruits you can use to make a smoothie, but the most popular are strawberries, blueberries and mangoes. Number 5. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice contains fibers which helps with producing a normal digestion and also helps to facilitate a regular bowel movement. It also helps to reduce your cholesterol levels by raising good cholesterol. It also helps to prevent heart disease as well as cancer from occurring to the body. Pomegranate juice also in high vitamin C which helps to boost your immune system to fight off illness.